I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. It's quick, it's easy, and we're going to do it together in just a few minutes. First things first, let's log in to your Microsoft Teams account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams login page. Once you're there, sign in using your email and password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any mix-ups later. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now that we're logged in, let's access your profile. You'll find your current profile picture or your initials in the top right corner of the Teams interface. This is your personal hub where you can manage your account settings. Simply click on your profile picture or initials to open the profile menu. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options for personalization and settings management. Next comes the fun part, actually changing your profile picture. From the profile menu, click on your current profile photo. This will open a small window where all the magic happens. Look for a button that says Upload Picture or something similar, and click it to start the upload process. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your chosen profile picture is saved. Double-click the image you want to use or select it and click Open to proceed with the upload. Your new picture should now appear in the profile window in Microsoft Teams. Make sure you like how it looks. If not, you can always upload a different one by repeating the same steps. Once you're happy with your selection, don't forget to click Save to make it official. This ensures your new photo is displayed across Microsoft Teams for everyone to see. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Remember, updating your profile picture isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making the right impression and maintaining a professional presence online. The next time you log into a meeting, you can feel confident that your Teams account reflects exactly who you are. We hope you found this quick and easy tutorial helpful. If you ever need to update or change your picture again, now you know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching and happy teaming.